At para sa kompletong listahan ng mga sangkap, ay panoorin ang video hanggang dulo.
And I'm Fanny from Fanny's Cookery.
Marami akong biniling kamoting kahoy dahil dalawang recipe ang gagawin ko dito. Ayan, at 3 cups grated kasaba itong mga preni. Lagyan natin ng 3/4 cup evaporated milk, 1/3 cup melted butter, at 1/2 cup of condensed creamer. Then gagamit din tayo dito ng 200 ml of coconut milk. At para maligat ay meron tayong cassava flour na ilalagay. Samantalang, i-grease muna natin itong baking pan with butter. Then mag-scoop tayo ng mixture according to the desired amount. Then cover natin with aluminum foil. Ilagay sa steamer, then fill with water. Gamit din tayo dito ng small molder. At i-steam natin ito for about 45 minutes on medium heat. For the custard, 3 egg yolks. Then add 3/4 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 can condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla for extra flavor. At para maiwasan ang bubbles, ay strain natin. Ibuhos natin ang custard mixture dito sa ibabaw ng cassava cake. Cover again and continue steaming. I-remove natin from steamer at mag-add ulit tayo dito ng water. Ibuhos ang custard mixture and continue steaming for about 10 minutes. And it's done! Remove natin from steamer and let it cool.